However small our grain of sand may be, it makes a contribution to improving the lives of people living in this world. Thanks to our knowledge, we can give hope to our people. I have faith that all this effort and dedication will help make the world a better place. It's not really a job, it's part of my life. And I know that you and your family will take advantage of these facilities that we have at the Prostacheck Clinic. In time, you will understand that contributing to society gives you a satisfaction and a feeling similar to love. And if you notice, my daughter, the passion we have for medicine runs through our veins, from my father to my wife and children. In difficult times, times of solidarity are created.